sir.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
This is question by one Ahmadi lady. She is asking, in Holy Quran it says that God Almighty gave a Jewish one spring, 12 spring, each spring for each tribe. Which is message behind this? Is it metaphorically or otherwise? If it's literally, do they exist now?
This is regarding that verse which she mentioned. Zur, her question is based on or relates to this verse of the Holy Quran, which is verse number 61 in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter number 2. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa iz istasqa Musa liqaumihi faqul nadrib bi'asaka al-hajar fanfajarat minhu isnata asharata ayna qad alima kullu unasin mashrabahum kulu washrabu min rizqillahi wa la ta'saw fil ardi mufsidin. Translation is, and remember the time when Moses prayed for water for his people, and we said, strike the rock with thy rod, and there gushed forth from it 12 springs, so that every tribe knew their drinking place. Eat and drink of what Allah has provided, and commit not iniquity in the earth, creating disorder. So based on this question, she wants to find out who were these tribes who are mentioned, and 12 tribes.
Are they metaphorical, or really they do exist or not?
You see, this is not only metaphorical, this is also realistic. There were 12 tribes of Israel. Only you should understand the implication of this phenomenon, about how it happened. I don't believe that he struck once and 12 springs, sprang out from the same place. How could different tribes come and get their water from just one strike? So God has spoken briefly of a series of strokes of Hazrat Musa at different places, and there they must have worked it out. It's not that automatically everything happened. When he struck with his staff, that was the place which one tribe was appointed to dig further, and there was water. So this is a phenomenon we also observed among the non-believing people as well. In Africa, in Russia, etc., people do the same thing. When they want to go for water, psychologically their staff, which is held loosely in the hand, suddenly dips down. And when they dig that spot, most often the water is found there. Only it is their psyche which works in their case. But it was Allah's will which was working in the case of Moses. Sorry. This is the whole story of what happened. The Quran speaks in brief terms. It just gives a reference, and you have to concentrate on it and apply your own mind as to what might have happened.